How to complete KYC on Amazon Pay. Hi everyone, in order to complete your KYC on Amazon, all you need to do is watch this video till the end. Now first thing to begin with, check your internet connection and open up your Play Store. First of all, you'll have to install the application. If not, update the application. For that, type in Amazon app. After that, make sure to click the install button if you have not installed it. In my case, I've already installed it. Now go ahead and click the open button, create an account, and that's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the menu located right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see multiple options. So in order to complete your KYC, go ahead and tap on Amazon Pay located right on top, and after that, over here, if you have not completed any of the KYC, then you'll be able to find an option as KYC or complete KYC. So in my case, I've already completed my KYC procedure, so you'll not be able to see the interface such as that. And then to complete the procedure, click the KYC button. After that, you'll need to follow the prompts, such as you'll have to upload your KYC documents, your information, all sort of that. After you're done uploading all the documents, schedule appointment for document verification, and after a couple of days later, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully verified your KYC. So in that way, you can verify your KYC on Amazon Pay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.